In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com subetems. Subetems are perfect for breaking a larger task into clear, actionable pieces you can track and complete with confidence. Instead of stuffing every detail into one long item description, subetems let you organize milestones, owners, and due dates right beneath the main task, so progress is easier to see and manage. Start by opening your Monday.com board where your work lives. If you're following along with a sample workspace, open the board that holds your main task list. Make sure you're in the main table view or another view that shows your items in a simple list. Take a moment to scan the board so you know which high-level task you want to break down. Keeping your main items high-level, like a project, a deliverable, or a milestone, makes subetems more effective and keeps your board clean. Next, locate the main task you want to split into smaller steps. Move your cursor to the left side of that task's name and click the small arrow, sometimes called a caret. This expands the area directly under the task and reveals the subitem section. You'll notice a subtle indentation beneath the main task. This is where the subetems will live. If the area looks collapsed or too compact, simply click the arrow again to toggle it open until you can clearly see the subitem space. Now add your first subitem. Click into the field that prompts you to add a subitem and start typing the specific task you want to capture. Make the title short, clear, and action-oriented, for example, draft outline, collect assets, or send review notes. Press enter to save it and if needed, continue adding more subetems the same way. Think of each subitem as a single bite-sized action that moves the main task forward. This helps with prioritizing, assigning, and tracking progress without clutter. As you type in your subitem task names, you can refine them for clarity. Aim for consistent verbs at the start, include key context like a version or channel if relevant, and avoid vague wording. If your board has columns like owner, status, or date applied to subetems, you can fill those in to make responsibilities and timelines crystal clear. Many teams find that 2 to 5 well-defined subetems per main task strikes the right balance, enough structure to guide the work, without creating extra overhead. When you're done, click the arrow to collapse the subitems if you want a cleaner view. That's all there is.